I mean, to be honest, snowboarding is not sustainable, but it is on us to take measures to drive towards sustainability by creating products that are durable and that can do what we want them to do for a long time, by picking materials that have a low CO2 footprint, by working with processes that don't consume a lot of energy, electricity, and so on. And also the way we operate as a brand, we are privately owned, so we don't have the ultimate pressure to, increase our business, whatever it takes. We're also a company where a lot of people work from home. We have short distances to travel to work. We have a mountain right here in our backyard, so we don't need to drive to get to places. So, is snowboarding sustainable? I think it's up to you to make it as sustainable as possible. It means that we're taking responsibility for the products that we design and build and sell and bring to the mountain. We we analyze the CO2 footprint of everything we do as a brand, starting with our organization, the energy it takes to heat our buildings, the energy it takes to travel to places. But then also on the product side, we're looking at materials, we're looking at processes, we are evaluating the CO2 emission that is connected with our product. And it goes all the way from production, designing production, to shipping it to destinations worldwide. And then again, after it's been used for hopefully many, many years, the disposal of the goods. So all in all, we determine an amount of CO2 that's being exposed to the environment because of our products or by our products and the people that use them. We then work with a partner, in this case climate partner, to invest in projects that have a positive impact on the reduction of global warming, such as creating wind parks, solar parks, forest protection, clean water projects, and so on. We're still at the beginning of a long journey to reduce CO2 footprint, but steps we've taken are, for example, our largest factory that we work with is 100% solar powered. So it takes a lot of energy to build product, but in this case, this is the most sustainable form of energy we're using to produce our boards and our bindings. Same is true when it comes to materials. The plastics we use in our bindings, some polymers on boards as well, have a recycle rate of up to 85%. Same on shipping materials like cardboard boxes, 90%, aluminum, 90% is recycled. Another measure is shipping. We're trying to ship as much as possible by sea rather than doing air shipments, which again are a big polluter in getting things from A to B. For everything that cannot be reduced, we have to offset. And here, Climate Partner offers a wide range of projects worldwide that help to fight global warming. And transparency is a very important topic. Their offset programs are controlled by the TUV. They're monitored and verified by certain organizations to help create transparency and trust in the projects we support. We're supporting a large wind park project on the northern cape of South Africa. If you are interested in the project and want to know more about it, please check the hang tags on our products, on boards and bindings. There's a QR code you can check. It leads you directly to a website that explains the amount of CO2 in kilograms or metric tons that we are offsetting by supporting this project. It also tells you which organizations are monitoring or verifying the projects and where the money flows. Please check it out. The main goal for us is to reduce our CO2 footprint. Reduction of CO2 is the number one goal. For everything else that cannot be reduced because of technical limitations, we are compensating. And that's the reason why we work with Climate Partner, as Climate Partner only works with brands that dedicate and commit to reduction. So we get a a long-term plan of how to reduce CO2 emissions, which we have to follow in order to be supported by climate partners.